Hi you guys, today I'm going to be showing you all how I do my sleek puff. So I'm just going to start off by taking off my scarf. Here's what my hair is looking like. This is how I decided to stretch my hair overnight to prepare for this puff, but I don't normally do this and I don't recommend you do this because rubber bands can cause breakage to your hair. Now I'm just going to be taking out these rubber bands with these tweezers because I couldn't find my small scissors. Now I'm just applying oil to each section before I go ahead and finish taking out those rubber bands. I've got my Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. This one is the one with black castor and flaxseed oil. I'm just spreading that on my palm and then rubbing my palms together, and I'm just gonna go around the perimeter of my hair. Brushing my hair now with this hard brush in an attempt to get it as smooth as I possibly can. Using this braid formula that was made by the same people who made 24-hour edge tamer to repeat the same process that I did when I used the Eco Styling Gel. I have my hair tied now that I have my hair gripped pretty good and it looks as sleek as it can get. So I'm just gonna wrap that around a few times. Using this brush now to separate the hairs that I will lay down. Eco styler can be used to further define your curls. So basically you just get a little on your finger and then slide it on the part that you're trying to define and twist your finger, and that just forms the curl. I don't typically do this though because I just don't mind frizz, but it is an option. Second to last step, I'm just applying the edge control to my edges and styling my edges as I please. Lastly, I just take my scarf, fold it, and lay it on my edges to set those babies for the day. Alright, now here's a close-up of my side puff. And that is going to conclude this video. I will see you all in my comment section.